Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with a nail haul from Naio Nails. I'm just going to get into this packaging. We had a Black Friday sale on, so it would have been rude not to get some of the lovely goodness. So the first thing we got is these lovely Wheel of Gold shells. More shells, but in gold and silver. Different shapes, lines and dots, pearls, triangles, teardrops. And we've got some hollow shapes in gold. And then we've got some dinky triangles and squares. We've got a mixture of everything. We've got dots, pearls, feathers, hearts in there. Another mixture. Got another mixture here again. I did get quite a few of these wheels because there was such a good buy. You never have too much of these little gold embellishments and silver embellishments. And see, this one's all fallen out, but I do really like this little pineapple here. So there's lots of nice goodness in there. And we've got lots of nice shapes and stuff in here. Triangles mainly, flowers, stuff like that. And we've got hearts and things like that in here. As you can see the numbers here, that's what, if you want to order any of these, just look up that number there and then you'll be able to get the wheel. I really like this one. If the camera would focus. Thank you. And lots of nice tiny ones. I really like it when you get these little dinky ones. So I think this is the last wheel we have, and again hollow shapes. Even got some like darker silver ones there. What would we call it? Pewter a lot. Then I thought I'd try this Acrygel. I've never done any of this, so I bought the kit and see if I can remember what you get in the kit. So you get this and it's in clear. You get the nail file, the pinching tool. It's a lot easier than my other one to open up, to be fair. The gel residue, a buff and block. I don't need any more of that. Yeah, so you got the UV top coat in that kit. You also got the base coat in that kit. Got the cuticle oil. And the dehydrator. So then I got the Urban Graffiti matte top coat, and then I wanted to give this Urban Graffiti foil glue a try. I've got the Magpie one, but it's still hit and miss, so I'm hoping that this one will do the trick for me. Then I got this tool for the Acrygel. And then I got another tool as well, the Urban Graffiti one. So you've got the spatula here, and then you've got the brush this end. And then I got 65 gram pot of the clear acrylic.
And then we've got lots of stickers. Lots of Christmas stickers. And they're basically got the same ones, both in silver and gold.
So this is everything that I got from the haul, guys. The majority of the Acrygel kits here, my tools, files, all these lovely nail art rings, circle plasticky things, my stickers and my acrylic powder. So if you want any links for anything, just give us a shout. I'll gladly give it you, but I will put Naio Nails website down below. Just not going to link every individual item because that would just take forever. So yeah, so I'm really pleased with getting all this and the 25% discount. I'm really excited to try the foil glue. Hopefully that I can get that to work for me. And I really like the tools, they feel of really good quality. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul and I shall see you soon. Bye.